Let's have a quick conversation about the best credit repair companies for debt consolidation. So, if you're looking for this ranking, here's a review I want you to pay attention to. Number 10, we have Credit Assistance Network. Our score 7.6 over 10. So if you're looking for a credit repair company that actually helps with debt consolidation real fast, you want to think about the CA and CAN Credit Assistance Network. We love the fact that they have unlimited monthly disputes. They have a very low monthly fee of $49 and also have a very low first work fee of $149. We love the fact that they've been doing this for the last 20 years. They actually started doing this back in 2004. So they've had at least 2 decades in doing this. So they know what they're doing here. And we love the fact that they also offer many of the services you would actually expect from a credit repair company, including dispute, debt consolidation, debt validation, goodwill letters. And this is kind of cool. And they're very effective and they're really fast too. So what about the pros and cons here? Pros, you have Freddie credit consultation available. They do offer a money back guarantee. They have a flexible cancellation policy. What about the cons here? No live chat support, limited educational resources, and no mobile app. Number 9, we have here Credit Repair Company. Our score 8 over 10. So when you think about the credit repair company, this is not actually a company. It's actually a sort of a system or a software tool that allows you to actually have a great experience in terms of debt consolidation. So in terms of the monthly disputes, you have 19 disputes for 45 to 60 days. The lowest monthly fee, $24.95, and the lowest first work fee, $24.95 too. We love the fact that this company is actually really great when it comes to customer experience. So they will really help you in terms of debt consolidation, but they also do a great job at making sure that your data is actually taken care of. What are the pros and cons here? Pros, free credit consultation available. They do have a mobile app and they do offer accessible customer service. What about the cons? They only have 19 disputes per 45 to 60 days, and there is no money back guarantee. So it's a little bit of a risk here because if you are not satisfied, you're not going to get your money back. It's just like, whatever it is. So yeah, but overall, it's a great company. CreditRepair.com, 8 over 10. Number 8, we have CreditFirm.net. Our score 8.3 over 10. So when you think about this company, I want you to think about a great company when it comes to debt consolidation, but also dispute services. And they have monthly unlimited disputes. You have the lowest monthly fee, $49, and the lowest first work fee, $49 also. And we love this company because they're great at debt consolidation and dispute services. And not only does it send unlimited dispute letters to credit bureaus on your behalf, but also dispute issues with creditors and credit bureaus in several different ways. So we're speaking about that they will send debt validation, goodwill, and cease and desist letters too. That's great. That's really good. And they will also do some CFPB, Federal Trade Commission, FTC, and Office of the Controller of Currency (OCC) investigations on behalf of clients. And they also provide identity theft assistance. Here are the pros and cons of CreditFirm.net. They have pros: relatively low monthly fees. They do offer free consultation, and you can cancel anytime, so you're not really bound into a contract or whatever. So this is really good. What about the cons here? They do not provide identity theft insurance as of this time, and there is no mobile app when it comes to CreditFirm.net. It is a bummer though, but hey, listen, it is what it is, and there is no live chat feature also. So if you're talking about today's topic, we're having a conversation about the top 10 best credit repair companies for debt consolidation. Number 7, we have AMB Credit Consultants. Our score 8.6 over 10. So the thing here is that AMB Credit Consultants has been in the industry for 10 to 15 years now, and they do a lot of things. They do a lot of work for debt consolidation for couples, for individuals, and we love the fact that they're constantly trying to revamp their services. What about the pros and cons here? Pros, they have over a decade of experience, and they do offer discounts when it comes to credit repair for debt consolidation or other initiatives. They have discounts for couples. What about the cons here? Well, they actually, you must commit to at least 6 to 9 months of service, and you must pay for a credit monitoring subscription before the initial consultation with Identity IQ. So it is a bummer too, though. But yeah, it is what it is. The credit pros. Our score 8.8 over 10. So we love the fact that this is one of the best overall credit repair companies for debt consolidation, and you have monthly dispute unlimited, lowest monthly fee 119, lowest first work fee 119, and so we love this. That what we love about the credit pros is that it helps you with debt consolidation, but also they do have a credit builder loan and a line of credit, and this is kind of cool. And so if you are a prospective client, you have a free credit repair consultation to help you decide which of the company's 3 packages is great for you. And so here are the pros and cons. So they have a credit builder loan available depending on the state you're actually calling from, and there is a line of credit that is a $5,000. They have a mobile app, and they do offer a money back guarantee. And in terms of the cons, there is no debt management program available, and their costs are like the prices are a little higher than some of the competitors. But overall, it is a great credit repair company to consider if you're thinking about debt consolidation. Number 5, we have here the credit people. Our score 9 over 10. So when you think about the credit people, you are looking at one of the top, one of the toughest credit repair companies for debt consolidation. We love the fact that they have unlimited disputes. The lowest monthly fee $79, lowest first work fee $19. A little kind of affordable though. So we love the fact that what we love about the credit people is that they're really fast and they start working ASAP. They're not wasting time at all. Like they start working immediately, almost immediately. And we love the fact that they actually have a not guarantee, but they are giving you some kind of assurance that there will be something. You will see something in 2 months. Okay, so whether it is debt consolidation or disputes or whatever, you start seeing results. Okay, and the credit people also provide your credit scores and reports right after you sign up, so you understand your credit situation when you start. So here are the pros and cons. Here, pros: you have a money back guarantee. So money back guarantee, this is really good. They do offer free credit consultation, and they have competitive pricing too. Think about it. The lowest first work fee at $19. This is really good. What about the cons? No mobile app. They don't offer a debt management program and no identity theft insurance. 19 monthly disputes per 45 to 60 days. The lowest monthly fee at $24.95 and the lowest first work fee $24.95. And Lexington Law is kind of cool. It's a law firm that really specializes in credit repair and other similar services. They are great for debt consolidation. They're great for credit repairs. And I mean, some people say they are polarizing as a firm, but hey, listen, to get the job done, it's one of our favorites. Here are the pros and cons when it comes to Lexington Law. Pros: you have free consultation for new customers, multiple discounts available, identity theft insurance included. What about the cons? Only 19 disputes per 45 to 60 days, no business credit services available, and they don't offer a money back guarantee. One thing I want to say here is that when we speak about today's topic, we're still having a conversation about the top 10 best credit repair companies for debt consolidation. And in that ranking, number 3 we have here, Sky Blue Credit. Our score 9.4 over 10. So Sky Blue Credit is one of the most experienced companies on this list. They're really great also when it comes to debt consolidation, and they have unlimited monthly disputes. The lowest monthly fee is $79, and the lowest first work fee is $79. And the company, again, they have been formed in 1989. Can you imagine? 1989. They've been in this business for nearly 35 years. That's just amazing, fantastic. And so they provide all the services you would expect from a credit repair company. They do credit repair, credit monitoring, unlimited disputes, debt management program. They do debt consolidation, anything that can help you improve your financial habits. They do it. Here are the pros and cons. Pros: they offer a 90-day guarantee. It's easy to cancel the membership, and they have transparent pricing. What about the cons? You only have one service plan, no mobile app, and no live chat available. Number 2, when it comes to the best credit repair company for debt consolidation, you have Pyramid Credit Repair. Our score 9.5 over 10. And here is another firm that has over a decade of experience, and they really do a great job when it comes to helping you consolidate your debt. And it's one of the few credit repair companies that offers a discounted plan for couples and 24/7, I would say, customer support. What we love here is that they are actually going to help, like they will help you get whatever you needs to get done in terms of getting your debt consolidation program accepted. Its setup fees, though, are higher than many of our main picks into this conversation. So here are the pros and cons of a pyramid credit repair. The pros: they do offer 24/7 customer support. You have a free credit consultation. You have a discounted couple plan available, and they have discounts for the military and teachers. What about the cons? Now, there's a little, we really don't like the fact that there is a lack of transparency, so little information regarding plans, and individual plan does not include finance tools. Number one, the best of the best. When it comes to the credit repair companies that help with debt consolidation, we have Credit Saint. Our score, 9.6 over 10. So in our view, this is one of the best options for simple credit repair options, but also in terms of debt consolidation overall. So you have unlimited monthly disputes. You have the lowest monthly fee, $79.99, the lowest first work fee, $99. So we chose actually Credit Saint because it has a comprehensive package for simple credit repair needs designed for those who may not require all the bells and whistles of the most expensive plans. And they really do a great job at helping you with debt consolidation. So here are the pros and cons I want you to really pay attention to. The pros: you have 90-day money-back guarantee. We always love it when a credit repair company provides a money-back guarantee. You have 3 credit repair packages. They're all lead to debt consolidation, potentially. You have transparent pricing as well. What about the cons? Well, right now the Credit Saint is not available in all states, and you have a 5 to 7 days to first work, and they have a relatively high first work fee. So here you have it, the top 10 credit repair companies for debt consolidation. It's really important. Let's just have a quick overview here so we are clear about the conversation we're having. So when we talk about a credit repair company, you have to understand a credit repair does a lot of stuff. I mean, their primary focus is not on consolidating debt. The primary focus of credit repair companies is to help you remove some of the inaccurate items they're really just dragging your FICO score down, right? But the thing is, in the process of disputing those inaccuracies, those derogatory items, a credit repair company might actually find opportunities whereby they will actually offer you a chance to consolidate debt. So what they do here is that because a credit repair company has multiple departments, they have people who are really great, really, like, you have astute negotiators. So they're able to negotiate on your behalf a debt consolidation plan with your lenders. So it's important to really choose the right one. And one thing I want to say here is that when you think about, for instance, when you think about Credit Saint, they do a great job in terms of helping you have a clear picture about your situation. In all situations, for all intents and purposes, it's really important to be aware of the fact that there are a lot of scams in the industry. So when we talk about credit repairs companies in general, there are a lot of scammers, and so what you want to do here is, if you're having doubts about a credit repair company, like somebody's actually pitching something like that sounds too good to you, please let us know in the comment section. We'll let you know if the company is legit or not. Or you can go to the FTC or the or you can go to the CFPB websites to have a clearer idea whether or not this is a legit company. Normally, all credit repair companies must have a file with the authorities. Okay, this is important, so don't take it lightly. You also want to pay attention to like the services offered, the cost, the number of monthly disputes, the credit bureau coverage, because some credit repair companies will tell you, listen, we only do 2 out of 3 credit bureaus. We don't do TransUnion, Experian, or Equifax, or even worse, we only cover 1. So you also want to make sure that they're not charging you for the initial credit consultation, so it must be free, and there must be a certain guarantees also. And the approach you want to really pay attention to, if you are trying to get a credit repair company for debt consolidation, make sure that, again, you verify that it is legit. So please go to the CFPB complaint database to make sure that they don't have any sort of a problem lodged or problem like, because if you have a legit company, first of all, they need to be in that database because there's no perfect company. And probably somebody one day might have complained about them, but at least so they are in the system. And but what you want to have is, you don't want to have a company, a credit repair company that has too many complaints. You want to have just a reasonable number of complaints, so you know the company is doing something good or bad or for whatever. But it's important to have that. And so you can also contact the FTC to see if the credit repair company actually is good. The reason why I'm insisting on this is because when you actually contact a credit repair company, you are providing them your name, your first name, last name. You are giving them your social security number. You are giving them your financial matter, your private financial data. So you better make sure that credit repair company is legit, because if this is somebody who's based somewhere in a foreign country trying to really prey on the lives of innocent Americans, you are really abetting and helping like a criminal organization. So don't do that, okay? Be very careful. You are giving someone your private information. Think about it as you are giving someone your PIN code. Okay, your PIN code, this is like crazy, like this is so crazily sensitive. So you want to double check, you want to do some due diligence to make sure the company is worth it. So before you sign up with them, make sure that you double check, triple check that it's really worth it. And so that the company is offering you a clear path towards debt consolidation, because this is actually your goal here, to consolidate debt. And remember that a credit repair company, no matter how good it is not going to remove bankruptcies and collections. No, what it can do is it can lower the amounts depending on certain circumstances. And also the thing is, it depends also on the nature of the debt. But when it comes to a bankruptcy, no, because bankruptcies are decided at a very high level. So this is not going to, so bankruptcies will fall off your credit reports naturally, quote unquote, naturally, but not through the negotiating powers of a credit repair companies. It doesn't happen. Don't let anybody razzle dazzle you, because some of those credit repair companies, they're really good when it comes to pitching their services to you. They might actually just tell you everything so that you can believe them. Don't fall for that, okay? But basically, they have to prove to you what they can do, but there are certain things they cannot do, no matter how good they are. To this conversation here, so I was just talking to you about the top 10 credit repair companies for debt consolidation. So we have number 1, Credit Saints, our score 9.6 over 10. Number 2, we have Pyramid Credit Repair, 9.5 over 10. Number 3, we have Skyblue, 9.4 over 10. Number 4, we have Lexington Law, 9.1 over 10. Number 5, we have the Credit People, 9 over 10. Number 6, we have the Credit Pros, 8.8 over 10. Number 7, we have A&B Credit Consultants, 8.6 over 10. Number 8, we have CreditFirm.net, 8.3 over 10. Number 9, we have CreditRepair.com, 8 over 10. Number 10, last but not the least, we have a Credit Assistance Network, 7.6 over 10. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. God bless you. I will see you next time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.